Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and View into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. Listen up, you all. Samsung has confirmed it. They will be making a rollable smartphone in the year 2021, right? Now, I don't know if we're going to actually get that smartphone in the year 2021. I believe we're probably going to get it around CES. I know for a fact that we're not going to get it alongside of the Galaxy Fold 3, which would have been awesome, right? Now, we already know LG came out with a rollable smartphone, which looks awesome. I like the fact that they slid their finger across the side of the phone and it retracted. Now, for whatever reason, they got their release date pushed back, but they have yet to come back and say when they're going to release it and if they're going to release it in 2021. Oppo also came out with a rollable smartphone, which looks awesome as well. And TCL came out with the best looking rollable smartphone yet. I'm very impressed with what they brought to the table. And they're coming with two rollable smartphones to the market, but they have not came out with a release date yet either. So rumor has it that Samsung they just may be the first company to come out with a rollable smartphone in the year of 2021, which I'm looking forward to, right? So listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know, which one are you looking forward to buying this year when they hit in 2021? Will you be looking forward to the Galaxy Fold 3? Or will you be looking forward to the rollable smartphone? Me, the rollable smartphone all day. Why? Because of the convenience. Because you still got the same form factor as if you had the Galaxy Note 21 in your hand. Although we're probably not going to get the Galaxy Note 21. Rumor has it. Rumor also has it that we're going to get a fan edition of the Galaxy Note, like a farewell smartphone, right, from the Note, which I'm going to miss dearly, right? But I'm really highly looking forward to seeing what Samsung is going to bring to the table so far as the rollable smartphone. I cannot wait till it hit. But listen, again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know which one you're looking forward to buying this year in 2021. Again, will it be the Galaxy Fold 3, or will it be the rollable smartphone by Samsung? Now, also, what about the Galaxy Watch 4, right? Or is it going to be the Galaxy Active 3? Now, rumor has it that we should see this smartwatch at alongside of the Galaxy Fold 3, right? Now, I am not sure. It's just rumors and leaks at this moment. Take it with a grain of salt. But are you looking forward to another smartwatch, a new smartwatch this time? Are you looking forward to another smartwatch this year in the year of 2021? Are you looking to grab a Galaxy Watch Active? Do you want it without the bezel? Do you want it with the bezel? Which means that it will be called the Galaxy Watch 3. Me, I don't think they're coming out with another Galaxy Watch. They just came out with one, the Galaxy Watch 3. I think that they're going to come out with the Galaxy Watch Active 3. Now, the Galaxy Watch 4, I think that's going to come out sometime next year. But again, hit me in the comment section down below if you got any information, any more information about the Galaxy Watch 4, then hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know so I can spread the word. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Smash that notification bell so you can always get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And whatever you do, do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun, you all. And remember to be safe.